Holy smokes, this legend just failed physics class, FBI open up. Can you believe this golden retriever is stuck in the matrix? I am dying. Can you believe this furball just failed physics class? Unbelievable. No way, the puppy is plotting revenge. My brain hurts. Honestly, this kitty is possessed by a demon. I can't even. Can you believe this little guy stopped working? Unbelievable. OMG, this legend is possessed by a demon. Insane.
Self-control, please.
Ha, that dog is dancing. Mood.
What have you done? What did you do?
Maybe I am. Am I the villain? I don't think I'm the villain.
Guys, this legend is stuck in the matrix. I can't even. Wait, the chunky boy is acting crazy. Mood. Man, this absolute unit regrets everything. Classic. Yo, this cat is broken. Mood. Bro, this little guy is fighting a ghost. 10 out of 10. Dude, this little guy wants a refund on life. I need him.
Oh, buddy, it's just a rug. See, Scout knows.
Hey, the doggo thinks he is a human. I can watch this all day. Yo, my spirit animal is broken. Best thing ever.
Like, what are you doing? You better come out of there. Come on.
Listen, my spirit animal chose violence today. So funny.
Come on. You can do it. Come on. You can do it. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Good boy.
Look at that husky needs a factory reset. Insane.
Clear.
No, get down.
Ha, this absolute unit is speaking fluent alien, emotional damage.
No, 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 no.
Wow, that kitten thinks he is a human.
Chalupa.
Mood.
Chalupa. Oh my.
Hello? 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 Hi.
Oh my god, my neighbor's dog is acting crazy. Legendary.
Are you stuck?
Check this out. This potato regrets everything. I am dying. Okay, but that dog thinks he is a human. Legendary. Seriously, my spirit animal is fighting a ghost. Emotional damage. Honestly, the doggo is broken. So funny. Yo, this potato wants some food, legendary.
Let go, please. Let go.
OMG, this animal is plotting revenge, what a meme. Dude, this furball is downloading a new update, I can't even.